Hello, I'm Baron, and I'm going to introduce our MMB Android USB device. So this is the multimedia video box. So what this does, it adds an Android system to your wired Apple CarPlay. So you can download Netflix, you can download YouTube, you can download any kind of streaming apps that you want, and you can download any other applications you can find on Google Play Store, since Google Play Store is integrated into the Android system. So just let me take out the product. Once you open our packaging, you'll see this foam surrounding our product. This is the MMB Android device. And then in this compartment here, you'll find other optional cables, GPS module, etc. And there's a user manual in here as well. So let me quickly connect this device and I'll show you how it works and what it can do. So with the USB cable provided in the package, connect the USB-C to the USB-C port on the product. And since on this Q5 2020 it uses a USB-A, so we have that today, but Type-C is supported as well for Mercedes or Porsche. So I'll plug in the product and then I'll wait 10 to 15 seconds and an Android system will appear instead of wired Apple CarPlay. So this Android system uses the Apple CarPlay channel, so even if you click on the Apple CarPlay on your car, it'll go into the Android system. The first time you plug in your Android your product, it might take a while to configure to the resolution, so just wait a bit and then it'll load. And then for your driving safety, please do not watch videos while driving. Click I know. And then you'll see our Android system here. So there are apps pre-installed like Google Maps, and if you go to the section More Applications, you'll see Google Play Store, YouTube, and Netflix. Obviously, you can download more applications from Google Play Store here. So the first thing you should do is go into settings to connect your hotspot. Once you connected your hotspot, you can do anything you want. You can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix. So let me quickly do that now, and I'll show you how that's done very quickly. So on your smartphone, Android or iPhone, go into your hotspot section and then make sure that's turned on. Connect to your hotspot, and once that's done, you can use any applications that you want to. So you can use Google Maps, you can download more applications once you have connected hotspot. So now I'll show you the Phonecast function. Once you open the Phonecast function, you'll see two kind of smaller functions on the top. One is called TV screen and one is called phone screen. What the TV screen does is uses your YouTube inbuilt AirPlay function to connect videos to play videos on the screen. I'll show you the phone screen today, and I'm using an iPhone, so I'll be using Apple Cast. Android Cast is for Android phones. All the functions of this box has instructions on the screen once you click into it. So I'll connect Apple Cast. I've already done the first step, which is connect hotspot. Next, I'll go to the second step, which is going to control center. Click on the device name. And then I'm mirror linking within seconds. So you can play mobile video games, you can watch TikTok, you can watch Instagram, and you can watch any kind of videos you want to. Once you have played a video, you can lock your phone screen, and you can control the video via the MMI controller, or if you have a touch screen, that will work as well. Now go back to the main menu on the top, and you're back into the main menu of the Android system. So for some vehicles that do not have touchscreen and you want to use YouTube, you want to use Netflix more conveniently, we actually have a remote controller in stock for you to use as well. So it's very simple. You simply connect the USB receiver that comes with the remote controller, connect it to the other side of the MMB Android. Any kind of wireless device will work, but for this remote controller particularly, you simply plug in the USB receiver and you can use it without any kind of installation. Simply turn on the remote controller and it'll work like so. And then what this does is it allows you to point and click as well. So it will allow you to select movies on Netflix more conveniently, browse YouTube, and then if you have passengers in the back seat, you can pass it to them to control the screen as well. And any kind of left and right will work, up and down. And then you might see an icon called Car. To go back into main menu interface, simply click into Car, and you go back into your main menu. To go back into the Android system, the MMB Android system, click into Apple CarPlay, and you're back right here. So that's that. The functions of this box is limitless because you can download more applications from the Google Play Store right here. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us. Look forward to our next video. Thank you.